Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
So primarily my answer was a very honest answer of why I wanted to do an MBA. It was genuinely what my thoughts were. So the crux of the answer was something like having obtained a technical degree, that was the BTech that I pursued. An MBA will expand the horizon of my education in the wider areas of management. And I think in today's sort of modern era of business, a single degree or a single expertise is not sufficient. In today's competitive environment, a single expertise is not sufficient. A dual degree is sort of a necessity. And managerial skills are essential at every workplace and everywhere. So with this idea, when I was weighing whether to pursue what to do next, what degree to pursue next, it was within an MS or an MBA. And when I was making the decision, I looked back upon, say, my BTech experience. And then when I weighed the research experience or the CAD experience with, say, the business competitions I took part or the people management that I did in various festivals, I think the latter sort of not only was something that I enjoyed more, but something that I felt I was better at and was also keen and interested to explore more. And that is why I think an MBA came into perspective. And as a fresher, the next question was why not a job and why an MBA? And I think for that, my primary understanding was that doing an MBA would add much more value to me than, say, 2 years of a work for me personally in that particular situation. And I also felt that it was the right age for me to learn and mold myself and shape my career trajectory. And I think that was the whole crux of my answer of why an MBA directly, or why an MBA primarily.
So my minor in college was industrial engineering and I interned at an FMCG firm. I liked that, so I joined an FMCG firm after college. But my work was in manufacturing. So I was actually the first woman that chosen for that role. So when I was there, so all of my projects and everything was just related to operations, manufacturing. So that time I was more interested in supply chain and all of that. So I wanted to explore more aspects of that. So I joined a supply chain consulting firm. So there, when I was like dealing with clients, so say we would be meeting with CEO, ops heads and all of them. So then I realized that, but I was also interact because this would have impact on other business divisions as well. So we would also interact with them. So I realized I did not have an understanding of all aspects of a business. And that was my main motive behind applying for an MBA and like joining a B school. So that was pretty much my answer.
So naturally, they were very curious as to why a person from a creative field wants to get an MBA. So the approach I had chosen was to first speak about what I cared about. There are very few things that I care about, and I chose to make it very clear that there's just one thing on my mind right now, and I see ISB as the step to it, which is why, and I sort of told them also, I'll tell you, I want to start a school at some point which is based on value education rather than the system we currently have. And ISB would put me with a bunch of people who could give me different perspectives on that, help me learn how to get there. And I sort of tailored my answer to fit into, why, to answer the question as to why MBA as well as why ISB, because it really helps in an interview when the interviewer knows that you've researched about your school. So that's the answer I had given, and there were a lot of probing questions after that because I had already made an impression as someone who would want to be in the development sector. So where am I going to get the money for the school from? It's not like they wanted a concrete answer, but they just wanted to know whether I've thought about it. So at this point, I walked into the interview thinking I have nothing to lose because it's a completely different career path for me. So I just wanted to be honest with them. So I told them that I honestly don't have the answer to that right now. So I have a broad idea of what I want to do, and I'm trying to figure it out on the way. And right now, I see ISB as one piece that fits into the puzzle. And I'm passionate enough about this to make sure I, find out what other steps are there for me to get to this. So they were like, so you'll never work for a corporate. I said, I don't think I would commit to anything like that would work or would not work for a corporate. Basically, whatever gets me to what I want to do. So if that requires me to slog a little bit for a while at a corporate role, then so be it. And so yeah, that's what I told him.
So my answer was that as a CA, I'd never had anything like college life. So I'd skipped on the entire experience of college. I'd always gone to office and done articleship, faced clients, and that's what sort of after teenagers, that's what I did. That was one thing. Secondly, what was more important to me was that I had a lot of technical knowledge. As someone has said previously as well, that you do a technical degree and then you really want to have a broader perspective on things. So that was the second reason. But the third reason for me was peer learning, because while I was working, I realized that you tend to learn a lot from people around you. So if you go to a top B school, you'd be surrounded by very, very smart minds, which I think from my experience is actually true. I've learned a lot more outside class than I have in class. So I think these were the three reasons for me. I didn't have any follow-up questions as such, and surprisingly, this question wasn't asked that much to me. It was asked in, I think, 2 out of some 6-7 interviews that I gave, and there were no follow-up questions.
I have a very specific profile. I come from a law background. So the way I approached the question was to basically let the panel know that I explored on what I could do in labor laws, and that is how I landed up on HR. And so it was more on the ends of exploration of what I wanted to do. And secondly, on the sheer impact I could have as an HR rather than as a lawyer. So one of the follow-up questions that came up was, why would I want to pursue HR rather than law? And my answer to that was, as a lawyer, my impact would be very minimal and at the end of dispute resolution, whereas as an HR, I would be at the end of policy making. So I had a very simple answer to the question.
So it was basically that during my undergraduation, I developed an interest in marketing, especially in business, and I wanted to explore that field and I wanted to work in that field itself. So I started my journey as a business analyst in an organization, that too in the marketing domain. And then I moved up the ladder in the marketing domain itself. But after 2.5 years of my journey, I realized that there is a lot that I have not explored. And I really need to imbibe an in-depth knowledge of marketing and business as a whole. Also, because I come from an engineering background, I am not very good at finance. I wasn't very good at finance, economics, etc. And I need to develop those skills as well if I want to succeed in business. So that was one of the reasons. And second, like MBA is not just about learning the subjects, it's also about developing leadership skills. That MBA college is a very good place to learn about, because you learn from your peers, you learn from your teachers and through various activities. So that was one of my reasons of why going for an MBA. Apart from this, a follow-up question that was asked to me, it was basically like, I was working in marketing itself, I was handling projects for big brands. So then why at that point of time I want to go for it? Why not continue with it? So that was one question. And the second question, the follow-up questions were more about my technical knowledge in marketing, because I learned digital marketing on my own, I learned SEO, SEM and branding, etc. on my own. So there were follow-up questions with respect to that. So that's pretty much about it.